Bumping heads, I bring you back, come follow me. Hot from California, home of SHP. The mind tricks the body.
One right in front of me.
And it's a horrible belief and see about the fistful. Los Angeles is on fire like a burning oven, burning like a furnace fire. Our beloved God, we love him. You can buy the pair. I got this, still not my
Come on, guys, move up.
You're just not me, and I'm sure I'm not you. Me, I'm a G, I'm as G as can be. I'm a sinister sensei, straight up supreme. Freedom of speech, so I'ma say what I mean, and I'ma mean what I say without fleeing the scene. We in the scene to bring a beautiful thing, to sing a musical lyric to the meaning. I'm truly the king of a town of purest to breed. Get out on the dance floor, hands up for me. We keep it hot, so hot you can fry. Hotter than your front porch in July. Real hot, 102. The devil wouldn't want to stand next to you. We got that hot padilla, hot padilla, hot padilla, hot padilla.
Hey, can you work this out? Fuck them up.
People in the front and all the way to the rear. Put your hands up, we about to get the fifth gear. Hawthorne is the city that we come from. Really, there's no comp, so whatever. To all my brothers in the Lord, try not to get drunk in the club or parking lot, trying to do right. It's on when I'm bored and my friends play skunk and I want some to cop, but I'm really trying to fight. We the hot boys now. We gotta keep our guards up. Leaders of the new school, drop fools now. It's all me and Red Cloud coming through, sounding long. Ready or not, the block they can drop the bomb.
Oh yeah, I see.
Hotter than your front porch in July. Real hot, 102. The devil wouldn't want to stand next to. We got that hot padilla, hot padilla, hot padilla,
whoa! You saw my little hole. Oh, I mean, you saw the hole I was thinking.
My people in the front and all the way to the rear. Put your hands up, we about to get the fifth gear. Hawthorne is the city that we come from. Really, there's no comp.
Okay, that guy's gonna be your priority. This one's gonna be mine.